Contents are going to be covered under coverage C of your policy. There's coverage A is your dwelling, and that's the big thing. Coverage B are going to be any detached structures. Coverage C is contents, and there's other coverage D and what have you. But as far as coverage C, that is typically paid actual cash value, and a lot of people don't understand what that means. What actual cash value is it's basically the depreciated value of your contents. And I like to give people kind of a heads up about this when they're filing their claims, because the insurance company is going to want them to list every single item. They're going to want to know when it was purchased. They're going to want to know any serial numbers or model numbers, a description, what the purchase price was, and how much they think it's currently valued at. That does not mean that's how much you're going to get for it. Also, with content such as like jewelry, or some people have collections of firearms, or even like a stamp collections, things like that that can be very, very valuable are not usually covered very extensively. You may only have a $1,000 limit on something like firearms or jewelry, or maybe $2,000. So if you have expensive items like that, or collectible items, it's good to get in touch with your insurance company and get a rider on those, get an additional policy, or maybe go to an insurance company that specializes in those items and get coverage there. Because I find a lot of people are very taken back by the small amount of money that they actually get for contents, because of the fact that it's actual cash value.